People estimate Ryan Holiday's net worth to be 8 figures. Every single one of his books is an instant bestseller, having sold over 5 million copies and spent 300 weeks on bestseller lists. So you might wonder, what's the secret behind Ryan Holiday's success? Well, he's a fantastic writer, of course, but he also learned the power of leveraging his community to grow his business. You want to know how he did it? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Greg Eisenberg, and in this video, I'll be exploring some of the biggest internet empires built by using the ACP funnel, a revolutionary new framework that's changing the landscape of business and leveling the playing field for entrepreneurs and creators all over the world. If you're interested in learning more about the ACP funnel and how to grow your very own internet empire, then check out my Community Empire course and membership. It's got the playbooks you need, the research you need, the accountability you need to put you on the path to building your very own internet empire powered by community. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the process that Ryan Holiday used to find his audience, build his community, and create products that sell like hotcakes. Let's get to it. The first thing that comes to mind when you mention Ryan Holiday is Stoicism. After all, it's thanks to this ancient philosophy that Ryan became well known. But his beginnings were very different. Ryan began his journey in the world of marketing, and his first book, Trust Me, I'm Lying, was a chronicle of his time working as the director of marketing for now defunct American Apparel, working directly with its founder, Dov Charney. Having built successful campaigns at American Apparel, Ryan knew exactly how to get people's attention, and that's how he built his own audience. He knew how to come up with ideas that stuck, that people talked about, and that's one of the most underrated skills. Imagine you're scrolling through your Instagram. How do you create content that's going to get you to stop? Those are sticky ideas. Back to Ryan. While his book established himself as a writer, it was actually far from what he wanted to do. When he was in college, Ryan got into Stoic philosophy, which was a passion he always wanted to explore further. So with writing skills under his belt and experience on how to publish a book, a couple years later, Ryan released his next book, The Obstacle is the Way. It was an immediate success. Ryan didn't expect the reaction that he got from the book. And that's when he came to $1 million realization. There did not exist a distillation of Stoicism in a way that Gen Z and millennials could consume. Thanks to guys like Seneca and Archimedes, thousands of years ago, Ryan had all the content, but he just had to figure out how to repackage it. And so, Ryan had found his audience. Stage 2, community. Ryan saw an opportunity in the niche of Stoicism. And I know what you're thinking, Stoicism doesn't seem niche at all. It isn't today, but it was when Ryan started. Ryan basically repopularized Stoicism for a new audience. After The Obstacle is the Way, 2 more books on Stoicism followed. Ego is the Enemy and The Daily Stoic. Does the name ring a bell? The Daily Stoic was easy to translate into a blog, a podcast, a newsletter with over 300,000 subscribers, and an Instagram with over 3 million followers, where Ryan began to share snippets of Stoic wisdom and short-form video. His content was clearly resonating and gaining traction, so he knew it was time to take things to the next level. Stage 3, product. Ryan's case is very unique, as he was able to give his audience a community and a product at the exact same time. His community grew as people not only resonated with the wisdom he was sharing, but were also interested in how he was applying Stoicism to modern life challenges. Having deep understanding of his community needs and having already introduced them to Stoicism through his writings, Ryan recognized the potential for not just books. So he packed his Daily Stoic website with a series of challenges, courses, and memberships for people who wanted to extend the Stoic experience beyond just reading. This gave rise to the Daily Stoic brand. Most of these offerings included deeper information, deeper teaching, and deeper books. But more importantly, they granted people access to a community of like-minded people who were trying to apply Stoicism to their daily lives. Plus, Ryan started to offer merchandise, like the Memento Mori ring, that was carefully designed to support and remind people that they're part of the Stoic community. It's just like when you graduate from engineering school and they give you an engineering ring. People graduate from reading Ryan's Stoicism and they want that ring. And they're willing to drop hundreds of dollars on it. And it creates this flywheel. The more they look at the ring, the more connected they are to the community, the more products they want to buy. It goes with all saying, these offerings from Ryan have been a massive success. And it's mainly because these products aren't just products. They're a gateway to a community that Ryan's audience is desperately in search of. And the best part is, Ryan doesn't need to sell these products. He doesn't need to convince anyone to buy them. With his free articles, free newsletters, free videos, Ryan has proved time and time again that he can provide value. So he has easily managed to gain his community's trust. Ryan Holiday has not only shared Stoicism with a modern twist, but has provided his audience with tangible tools to integrate into their daily lives and a community of like-minded Stoics to share their experience with. Ryan's story is a great example of the ACP funnel and how any person from any walk of life can leverage the power of online communities to build a profitable business. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video and want more internet empire breakdowns, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Let me know in the comments whose ACP funnel you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.